Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a fire department MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which we are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. Then click on this download button. Then click over here. Then click on station 24 and download the MLO. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file into your FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So yes guys, that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and as you can see over here, this is the fire department which we just installed, as you can see. And this is the location of the map of the fire department over here. So let's get inside the fire department. So this is the main entrance of the fire department, you can see over here. So this is the kitchen area of the fire department. And this is the garage of the fire department, as you can see. And here we have the changing room over here, as you can see. And there is one more room over here, as you can see. So let's get outside. And this is the office of our fire department, as you can see. And this is the back side of the department. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.